In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. This can help reduce distractions, especially in quiet environments like libraries or meetings, where the clicking can disrupt others. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On your settings page, you will want to navigate onto this option of sounds and haptics. Head to the option of keyboard feedback. Onto sound, make sure to disable this option. Now once turned off, you won't hear no clicking sound while typing on your keyboard. Did you know that this also preserves battery life, albeit minimally, and allows for a more private typing experience, as others won't hear each keystroke? Well, that's how easy it is to remove clicking sound from your iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.